Hello and welcome. You're now looking at ConvertKit.com. And ConvertKit is considered to be an email autoresponder which specializes in automations. It's designed as such that you should be able to send targeted content to an individual whenever you want that individual to receive the email based on activity they undertake. Unlike other autoresponders, you can edit the content in order to dictate that automation, which allows for simplification of the automation process. The site integrates into a number of third-party services in addition to third-party service connector Zapier. And although its use is made for any entrepreneur, a number of the features reflect individuals that do business online. So in this course, we will cover the features associated with ConvertKit and how you can use them in your business in order to write better emails. You'll also see how you can use ConvertKit to organize and understand your subscribers. And naturally, we will also cover automations. You'll see how ConvertKit integrates with other services. Now to note, ConvertKit does have a free 14-day trial. The lowest price plan as of recording of this video costs $29 per month. We will look at the pricing in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.